Have you ever wished you could create stunning art just by typing a few words? Well, that future is here, and it's called Midjourney. This incredible AI is completely changing how we think about art, design, and creativity. You type a sentence, and within seconds, you get breathtaking images or even videos. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into exactly how Midjourney works, and, more importantly, how you can use it like a pro to bring your wildest ideas to life. This isn't just about making pretty pictures. It's an AI art revolution. So, what exactly is Midjourney? At its core, Midjourney is an AI image generator. It takes your text descriptions, known as prompts, and transforms them into high-quality, visually stunning art. We're talking about everything from hyper-realistic photos that look like they were taken with a professional camera, to epic cinematic fantasy scenes, all the way to beautiful abstract designs. It's a powerful tool that puts a world-class artist, photographer, and designer right at your fingertips. All you need is your imagination and a few well-chosen words. But how does it do it? It feels like magic, but it's actually incredibly advanced technology. Midjourney uses complex AI models, trained on a massive dataset of images and text. When you type in a prompt, the AI first analyzes the words to understand their meaning and the relationships between them. It converts your text into a kind of mathematical concept. From that concept, it begins to figure out the right shapes, colors, textures, and lighting. Then, through a process of refinement, the AI builds your image step by step, adding more and more detail until the final masterpiece is revealed. It's a fascinating blend of language and visual creation. Getting started with Midjourney is surprisingly simple. First, you'll join the Midjourney community, which usually happens through an app called Discord. Once you're in, you just type the command/imagine. This tells the AI you're ready to create. Right after that command, you describe the image you want to see. Be as simple or as detailed as you like. After a few moments, Midjourney will generate 4 unique image options based on your prompt. From there, you have choices. If you love one of them, you can upscale it to a high-resolution version. Or, if you like the general idea but want to see different takes, you can ask for variations. It's an interactive and creative process. Now, let's talk about the real secret to mastering Midjourney: prompting like a pro. The quality of your output is directly tied to the quality of your input. Vague prompts lead to generic results. For example, just typing "a dragon" will give you, well, a dragon. But it might not be what you envisioned. A good prompt is specific and rich with detail. Try something like, "a massive ancient red dragon perched on a volcanic cliff, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed scales, smoke billowing from its nostrils." See the difference? Adding details about style, lighting, camera angles, and mood gives the AI the specific direction it needs to create something truly spectacular. Once you get the hang of basic prompting, you can explore Midjourney's advanced features. One of the coolest is that the AI learns your personal style over time. As you create and rate images, Midjourney starts to understand your preferences and adapts its creations to better match your aesthetic. But it doesn't stop at still images. A newer, game-changing feature allows you to turn your images into short videos. You can add subtle motion, camera pans, and zooms, bringing your static art to life in a completely new way. It's like having your own personal animation studio. The creative use cases for this technology are exploding. Storytellers are using it to visualize scenes from their books. YouTubers are creating custom, eye-catching thumbnails that stand out. Game designers are rapidly prototyping characters and environments. Musicians are generating unique visuals for their album art and music videos. And of course, it's a powerhouse for creating unique social media content that grabs attention. From professional marketing campaigns to personal art projects, Midjourney is becoming an essential tool for creators everywhere. Of course, with any powerful new technology, there are important conversations to be had. AI art raises real and complex questions about ethics and reality. Who owns the copyright to an AI-generated image? Is it the user who wrote the prompt, the company that built the AI, or no one at all? As these tools become more powerful, we also have to think about our creative responsibility. It's a new frontier, and the community is actively navigating these challenges together, shaping the rules and norms for a new era of digital art. When you boil it all down, Midjourney gives you visual superpowers. It closes the gap between the incredible images in your mind and what you can actually create. The real skill is no longer just about your ability to draw or paint. It's about the clarity and creativity of your vision, expressed through the art of the prompt. Your imagination is the director, and AI is your limitless production crew. The vision is, and always will be, yours. I hope this deep dive has inspired you to explore the world of AI art. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Basics Hub for more content on the future of creativity. I'd love to see what you come up with, so comment your best prompt ideas below. Let's build the future of creativity together. Thanks for watching.